Hey everybody, welcome back to Berger Creek Homestead, and today we are going to be doing a unboxing and review, first impression type review of this brand tire. This is a Will Tire brand, Wiltire, and this is something you can get on Amazon for $70 or $80, something you can use for wheelbarrows, carts. You can use them on front tires of lawnmowers. I'm going to be using it today to put on a chicken tractor that I'm building. As you can see, we've got a blackberry patch, and this unfortunately has quite a bit of grass that grows really fast, especially in the spring when we're at now. And I'd like to see if I can turn most of this into clover to slow it down, limit the growth, and put nitrogen back into our blackberry plants. So that's my plan. I'm going to utilize these tires to drive my chicken tractor around as needed. So let's do an unboxing. First impressions, this is a airless tire, so it's puncture proof. It'll never go flat, and it's got tread on it, so it's got well, hopefully good traction when you're going on sides of hills and things like that. As I've said, you can use this on a number of different applications. It's supposed to come with spacers and bushings or something like that, so you can kind of adapt it to whatever equipment that you're trying to put it on. And just by the box, it looks like it's got some cheapish roller bearings on it, maybe. I believe those look like bearings. And so that would be great if they're not bushings. But yeah, anyway, let's go ahead and get to unboxing this. Where is it? Oh. Here it says 500 pounds dynamic load. I'm guessing that means this is either foam filled or it's a harder tire, because otherwise 500 pounds is kind of a lot for a pretty small tire. This is a 4x10 by 4.10 by 3.5 by 4 tire. So again, wheelbarrow size, cart size, thing like that. Okay, so first impression. Okay, so we've definitely got spacers. Maybe that's because I was jostling it around here, but we've got bearings and bushings, no, those are spacers. Oh, we do have bearings. Okay, so here is, just hard rubber spacer, typical spacers used, so lots of adaptation available. First thing I'm noticing before I even take the tires out, these are the roller bearings I see on the front, and they are indeed roller bearings. Very cheap. Hopefully that's not what's on the tire. Okay. I don't know if those roller bearings would take 500 pounds. All right. Drop the spacer. Yeah, those are all over the place. That may have been me. I was jostling the box around quite a bit. Here's a bag that has nothing in it, so I'm guessing that's where those used to be. Okay, first impression of this tire. It's a really, really hard tire. So that's where that 500-pound dynamic load must come from. Really nice looking paint, nice looking hubs. Oh, look at that. Oh, we've got real bearings in here. Look at those, 6202, 2RS. So this is a rubber sealed bearing. 2RS means there's rubber on both sides of the seal. Both seals are rubber, and that is a hardware store bearing. I mean, that's a direct replaceable bearing, so that is great to see. Cool. Awesome. Okay. Yeah, again, like I say, nice looking paint, nice looking tire. I ordered black. Just black goes with everything. So black looks good. And yeah, here's the tread pattern up close. I hope you can see that. And there's two tread patterns I noticed on the box. It looks like we've got the black wave pattern versus the grass pattern. It looks like the grass pattern may be just a little bit more aggressive of a tread. So yeah, anyway, not for highway use. I believe it. Yeah, don't put this on something that's going down the highway. Okay, cool, awesome. First impressions, I'm impressed by the bearing. I'm impressed by the hub design. And 500-pound dynamic load is actually quite impressive for a tire of this size. That would definitely be able to be applied to a wheelbarrow or anything like that, a cart, something. You're not going to really ever have 500 pounds on something like that. So perfect. Okay, let's go see what they look like on a chicken tractor. Now, if you're interested in knowing how we built this chicken tractor and why, make sure you check out a related video. All right, check it out. This is the wheel tire setup on a cantilever, 2x4 going to the chicken tractor. This is finished, and of course, it's in our blackberry patch right now. Look at this beautiful new growth blackberry plant right next to this tire. It really kind of accentuates the black on this. I like that a lot. But yeah, anyway, so these tires seem like they're going to hold up really well. I didn't mark the grass at all while I was rolling this over. That's really all I can say about it as far as first impressions go. They look like a sturdy, reliable tire, and hopefully it works out for me. All right, that wraps up this video. I appreciate everybody that watches, subscribes, and comments. See you on the next one. God bless.